Hey, yo, what's up, guys? And today I went to the shop, but you don't know what I got yet. So I was wondering, I got a GoPro. Like, it's not really, it's not like the GoPro, what? It's not like the GoPro 7 or whatever they call it. Yeah, it's not. Like, I was wondering, should I take it apart? Now it's up to you guys. This is really like, it helps you a lot, but I don't really need it. I do when I go on holiday. Like, next time I go on holiday, yeah, guys, I promise I will video underwater with this. Yeah. But let's get into this. Tell me if I should take that part. First, what this? You know, like, I need some pancakes sometimes, yeah. I bought it for my family, but doesn't matter about crap. Flipping red bag. I bought a fire alarm. I mean, the smoke alarm. Should I take it apart? Should I show you how it works? I don't know. You probably already know. Like, 10 years or smoke alarm. Last 10 years. The batteries last 10 years apparently. I might use these for my camera though, these batteries. Alright, let's go ahead and open it. Like, it looks like that on the front. Let's go ahead and open it. Flipping, look at this, dude. Oh, that's a sleek design. Okay, flipping. No, man. I don't care about. That's where these instruct, yeah. Man's saying you have to put it together now. Does it work here? Let's see. Said it come with the batteries, I think. Yeah, I might read the instructions. Hold on, guys. I'll pause the video until I'm done. Bye, guys. I think I get it. This is supposed to go on the roof. I mean, the ceiling. You saw this one? Oh, yeah. I just saw the... Look. Don't know if you saw that. Flipping hell. What do you mean? Yeah, very loud. Flip my ears! Holy moly, what do you mean? What do you mean? The question is, does it work? Like, smoke alarm. You know, I'm not actually going to set fire to my flipping house. What do you mean? I want to see if it works in one of my videos. I mean, like, because we got 2 of them for some reason. And, yeah. Well, not for some reason. What do you mean? We got 2 of them. One's put in each room. We should have got, like, 6 of them. But, 6 of them. Yep, 6. We should have got 6 of them. Flipping. This is loud. Guys, if you didn't hear that, like, get one. Because when I was watching a video of one of these, like, I didn't know we were going to get it. Like, my mum and dad just asked for it. So, stupid bag. Yeah, and I was like, okay. It's proper loud, guys. Oh, like because normally we make too much noise, so my neighbors complain. This is the thing you would use to make noise. So I got a little bit, my heart went, what do you mean? And then like, you see how it wasn't here before? This makes this work. So like this, is there something in there? I don't know, I think this touches something, and then it sets the alarm off. Like as I screwed it in before, there was a red light, it went flash. And then, yeah. It's really loud. If you didn't like hear that properly, guys, I'll replay the video. If you didn't, guys, if you didn't hear that properly, then get one. You could order them. Can you buy them? Because I bought mine. I bought mine in Homebase. Yeah. If you got a Homebase near you or something like that, store, then go there, get one of these, screw the bottom in, make a YouTube video. Make a YouTube video before you even do it. Say I'm going out, whatever crap. Get one of these, screw it in, press the button. Oh, yeah, you just have to press it once and then it will go off on its own. So, yeah. If there's like smoke in my house, I mean, if there's like a fire and smoke comes up, I probably put it not right next to my flipping ear. Imagine it just went off. I accidentally pressed it and it went right in my ear. That would be mad. That would be mad. I'll go deaf. I'll just go deaf with this crap next to my ear. It's not really crap, it helps you. But like, don't put this next to your ear, like under your pillow cover or whatever. Because when a flipping smoke alarm goes off, I've actually never had one of these, I don't think. Like, not one that worked. I don't know why. It's silly. But yeah. Oh, my ears are hurting. Yeah. So guys, just get one of these. It's actually good. Like, this is what the box looks like. I have showed you already. So if you want to, just pause the flipping video there. Yeah, just punch your box. That's what you have to do when you're. This is random, but when someone like annoys you, get a box, yeah. Punch it. Random. Don't need this anymore. So that could have been. Should have been right there, but I have it over there. So guys, this is very useful in my house. Subscribe, leave a like, and drop a comment down below if you have one of these. Like, if you have it in your hands, not on your flipping roof, mate. Ceiling. Yeah, ceiling. Wait, there's like 4 holes there. And the flipping noise comes out of that crap. What do you mean? What do you mean? Alright guys, comment. I know I haven't been doing stuff lately like challenges. Comment down below what challenge I should do.